Hi guys, today we're gonna be making a smooth moon. Not like the other video, like the left, right, up, down. It's like a clicker game. So, without further ado, let's start this project. So, I'm just gonna get Sprite was already in Scratch, but I would like. I'm just gonna take Earth. So, on the green flag clicked forever, if else, go to 0, and now do if touching mouse pointer, set size to, let's take the minus, subtract and divide. And now let's put in here 150 would be fine, and 4. Then put the size there. Let's see how much. Yep. Now 100. See? Yep, 75. And start going flat. Whoa, that is smooth. Well, if we could do maybe like up and down. I'm gonna use not a complex version, like more, more to explain, but I'm not a good explainer in Scratch. So, let's do repeat by 15, and then wait. I don't know what just happened. 0.1 seconds, and motion, change Y by 1, minus 1, maybe let's set a forever loop. Maybe, well, that's too much. So 10 minus 10, and wait 1 second. Maybe 1. Twenty times. Oh, 5 minus 5. Okay, I think I figured out the problem here. So it should be 15. Then this should be 1. That might not work. Yup. It did not. I've been trying to figure this out. Fast. Okay. Oh, look how smooth. it goes up, but then I want to go down. Oh, maybe actually I got an idea. Let's do here. This one. I've done this before, so there's loads of methods to do this, and this is easy to do, but I think I just forgot the code. Change Y by block, maybe I got another idea. There is loads of ways to do this. So sprites, of course, sprites help a lot. So let's take the whole thing up, 2 times, up 4 times. Actually, as much as you want, but not like a lot. Perfect. Now let's do down. Take this, put it down there. Duplicate this. Duplicate this. Let's do the code. I'm gonna test it out, how it looks like so far.
Wait, how do you?
So, yeah, that was just my brother speaking to me. Well, I don't even think you need to know that. Now, forever wait 0.0 seconds. And then go to the next costume. Yep, but costumes, it works. Gotta duplicate this. Right here, no? Then that's the end of this video. If you like this video, press that like button, and to make my day better, press the subscribe button. Bye. Yep. Bye bye.